3D printed fidget toys you need to print. If you follow my channel, you know that I print a bunch of fidgets. And if this is your first time, welcome to the channel. But today I want to show you my favorite fidgets that I've printed recently. So this is my very first fidget. It's kind of like a Clover Fidget, and I love this fidget. It's so cool. I mean, I love how it sparkles, and look at that crazy pattern it makes when you slide it around on a surface. I mean, that looks so weird. But what's cool about this is you can look at it and you can't really tell, but I'm pushing my finger through it. Isn't that so weird? It looks almost identical. So look at it like this. Now watch, I turn it over like this. And it looks the same. That's such a crazy like optical illusion that really just like melts your mind. I mean, it looks so weird, but it also makes this sound too. Can you hear it? It's so weird. Look at that. I just think that looks so crazy. If you can keep it perfectly in the center and move it around like that, it looks so weird. So let's move on to fidget number 2 is one I printed recently. It's a Spiderweb. Now I like this one because it has a bunch of layers, so you can really see that crazy pattern when you roll it along surfaces. I mean, look at that. It looks so crazy. Can you tell if I'm pushing it up? I'm not, but it's also got 2 layers. That's super awesome. And when you do this, you can really see the orange. That looks crazy. Or if I push it up, look at that. Now with this one, you can actually tell when I'm pushing it through because of the 2 layers kind of bleed through on each other, but it gives such a cool effect. Look at that. It's like a pyramid. See if it makes that sound. Here we go. Oh yeah. I love that sound. Look at that. Whoa, when you spin it around, look at that crazy little spiral. That is just awesome. I definitely recommend printing this out. So let's check out third fidget. It's a little bit different from the other ones. You may remember this from one of my videos, but check this out. Look at this. It's a cube, but it's all sliced up. And the cool part about this cube is it does this. Let's see which way. You can slide it out like that. Look at that. That is so cool. And then you can just slide it back in. I think that's just the coolest thing. Or you can grab one corner and kind of make it like that. That's so weird. And it's neatly stacked, so when you grab it, it feels like it's gonna fall apart, but it's really all connected. So it can only slide one way. You can go this way, but it won't go this way. Super weird, but super cool. I think it's kind of mesmerizing, like how it's all just like together and just uniform. Very satisfying to look at. Now let's check out fidget number 4. It's kind of like the third one. Well, it's the same color, obviously different shape, but it's also really cool. I mean, look at that thing. It's a lot like a bigger version of this one right here. But you can really see the detail. Like, see when I move it around like that? All the different layers makes it really cool looking. Look at that. Now watch if I press it in. You can tell the difference on this one. Let's see if this side, maybe it's less reflective. Oh yeah, look at that. That is so cool. I love that. I love the sound. Spin it around, give it a cool little spiral. Get this guy out of here. Yeah, I love these things. They're so much fun. Now, are you ready for the 5th last fidget? I want to show you this because it's based on that. Someone asked me in the video, hey, can you make one, but make it bigger? Look at that thing. Do you see how massive that is? This, I believe, is at 75%, and this is 125%. It's the same exact model, just way bigger. Look at that. It is so cool. I mean, you could literally fit your whole fist in there. And you can fit almost all the other fidgets inside of there. Look at this. That's crazy. And it makes the same noise as the other ones, this, but look how much louder it is. That is so cool. It just looks so weird. It looks almost like a bee's behind, like a little stinger comes out. I have way too much fun with these. Look at that. That's so awesome. Well, if you love my content, make sure to subscribe, check out my shorts and my other videos.